Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is with Jillian Norwood, and she just wants you to share whatever you've been creating for the week or on Saturdays and upload it so that everyone can see. I will have both hashtags down below, and if you were here last week, with hashtag two crafters, one design, we said this week we would be doing the Peachy Keen stamps or dies, whatever you have. And I chose this cute little image, and I got this from Gloria a while back. I do not own this particular stamp set, but she had it, and I asked her if she would stamp out a few for me, and she did, and she sent it my way. Now, if you like this image, I seen on Jillian Norwood's channel right now, Peachy King has brung back this particular image. It's a little different. She's upgraded it, so you could run over to Peachy King Stamps and purchase that. Thought about it, but I still have some extra images from Gloria, so I probably won't, at least not right now. But I am so excited to share this bowl of gingers with you. But let me show you what else I used to create it. I also used this glitter dust, the iridescent. Love this stuff, and I'm almost out. That's so sad. I also use this My Creative Time Ginger Chefs, and I just used one of these tags out of there. And also from My Creative Time, I used her bow, and that came from the assorted mini bow dies. And then Spellbinders, and this is an older one, but I think they still sell it even today. I am using these scallop squares, I guess they're called. Oh, well, here it goes. Well, there you go. That's what I'm using, and it's number 5. And then from not CC Designs, but Gina Marie Designs, I'm using this one here. And I love how I colored it up. And I did not save the markers to share what I used to color it, but I thought it turned out so cute. I did add some highlights with my gel pen, and I put some dots, a little bit of highlights in that scarf there, and around the bowl. I thought this was just adorable. I colored up my cheeks with some color pencils, and I used the Gamsol to blend it out and added highlights on their cheeks and their eyelashes, on their hair. Just an adorable set there. And then there goes the inside of the card. Now for next week, hashtag two crafters, one design, we are going to have presents. So if you have any kind of present die, present image, something with a present on it, make sure you join us come next week and share your creativity on Saturday Morning Makes. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.